Alright, so I wanted to do a tutorial on how to make stickers in Design Space. So I pulled these images from Cricut Design Space. I just went over here to images and I searched the North Pole, and this is what I got. So I am trying to make stickers for when I ship packages at Christmas that look like they came from the North Pole. Like they'll have like a sticker on there, you know, like Santa, you know, Santa's Express. That one's probably not gonna work, but that is a cute image. See, like North Pole looks like a stamp. North Pole Post Office. So this was my, you know, bright idea. Which is going to be more work, and I'd have to laminate those stickers. And I have done a tutorial on the laminated stickers if you want. That is in my videos. And it should be one of the very first ones you click on. So, this is what I've got. This one I think is really cute, except you'd have to write in the person's name, but I do think that is cute. I'm going to get rid of the North Pole Trading Company because I don't think we need it. So I am going to go and move this guy over here, and we're going to work on this sled. So magical deliveries. Basically what I'm going to do is, because Cricut has this feature that says create sticker. So I have this one selected, and I'm going to go to hit create sticker. Okay. So now you can design a custom printable sticker. Okay, check it out. And do you want a die cut or a kiss cut? So the die cut will cut all the way through your sticker paper, and you just peel them off your mat, and then you'd have to peel the backing when you use them. Or if you do a kiss cut, you could do like 6 of these on a sheet, and it doesn't cut all the way through, so you can still leave them on the full sheet of paper, the 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. So I do kiss cut, and then it asks if you want a border or a die cut edge. So this create an easy peel with an additional border and cut that goes all the way through the liner. So if you hit this, see how it's got that white around it. So it gives you like an extra border. Now I want to go back and do this one, so I'm gonna select another sticker, and obviously these aren't sized correctly because I'm not even worried about doing it, and my Cricut is like really slow. I don't know why, but it's very slow. So I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to go create sticker. I'm going to do the kiss cut, and then I want to see this border. And let's click standard. I didn't see that it did anything. Oh, here it is. It did add a white border around it. That one I might like better than the other one. Because this one I bet you will keep that border when you cut it in Design Space. And that's what I want. I like that border like it is. Especially to put on the package. I think that would come out really cute. This one, it looks like the border totally disappeared. Yikes. I know Cricut is like losing its mind today, let me tell you. So when you look in your layers panel, it does show it as a sticker. Now I'm going to click on the other one, this North Pole one. Now see, this one shows it print and cut stamp, so it doesn't show it as a sticker. why do I feel like... Okay. Wow. It does show it as a sticker up here, though. So they do change the stickers. And then you can just go ahead and cut them. And you'll have, like, you know, a sheet of stickers or whatever you want. But I thought these were kind of cute to put on the outside of packages for Christmas. Kind of a cute thing, inexpensive thing that you can make yourself. Like, you don't have to order from anybody. You know, definitely worth maybe checking out, doing yourself. Takes a little bit more time to design all this. I totally get it. Because I have bought stickers myself. So, alright, well, I hope you like this tutorial. Let me know if you want another one, but this is what I came up with for Christmas. You know, it's September, so hopefully I have enough time to get this done before Christmas, which I doubt, but we'll see. So I hope everyone's having a good day and a good weekend.